Hey, my name is Corey Fluxtra. Woo! Woo! I'm the modern day Ric Flair. Woo! Ric Flair. Woo! Okay, back to business. Back to business. Business. We work for NASA. No, I don't work for NASA. Do you work for NASA? Seems like nobody's smart when they're smart nowadays. They work for NASA and it turns them around and now they're not so smart anymore or seem not so smart. I have no comment on that. We're not talking about that today at all, like how dumb brained our dumb brain, the actual brain cells in a billionaire like Elon Musk. I call him Elon Musk. Or Ellen Tusk. She is a elephant that's half humanoid and is the clone of Ellen DeGeneres. I don't know. They make it great. I actually would watch an Ellen show if Ellen wasn't Ellen anymore. She's an elephant. Yeah, let's transform Ellen into an elephant. Yeah, let's just turn Ellen DeGeneres into an elephant. Yeah, that'd be more entertaining than watching her just. I'm not gonna. Anyways, my name is Corey Fluxtra, and I think that Ellen DeGeneres should become an elephant. She is an elephant. She is the elephant. She is the elephant. Is that all you're gonna say? And I don't know what the fuck are tomboys. Why does everybody want to fuck a tomboy? I don't get it. Are you gay? I don't quite get it. What's a tomboy? I don't want a tomboy. I don't want no guy named Tom being my girlfriend or wife. A wife named Tom? A wife named Tom. Get out of here! Get out of here now! Or I'll banish you with the cursed song of the flute if that's all you think are tomboys! Tomboys are just random boys named Tom. Are you attracted to the name Tom? What if Tom was like, I don't know, um, uh, Tom is a beaver. I don't know. Tom's a beaver, and Ellen DeGeneres is a big fat elephant. Who is the walrus then? Is Elon Musk No, Elon Musk is either a snake or a goat. And I'm the big lion who will eat all you. I'm going to eat the elephant. I'm going to eat whatever the animal is named Tom. It's really a fucked up abomination. And I'm going to eat the snake goat named Elon Musk. Don't name your kids after Ellen or Meg. Okay? If you name your kids Meg, name your little babies, those stupid babies, Meg, you got a problem. Because that's the name of the worst Family Guy character, is Meg. Meg must be defeated. I will destroy Meg. Somebody's got to do something about Meg. I fucking hate Meg. I'm going to throw this cookie against the wall. It got so insane. No, I'm going to eat the cookie. But you won't believe what kind of cookie this is. All right. That's right. They're carrot cake flavored Oreo cookies.